Welcome everybody! Today I'm going to be making a Halloween tie-dye. I'm getting ready for spooky season. Alrighty, so today I'm going to do a reverse tie-dye alternative. I like the idea of using bleach to go ahead and use stencils. However, I want to do a safe alternative and see if I could just use tie-dye as spray. I found some Halloween wood cutouts. So I'm starting off with a cotton sweatshirt. I've already pre-washed it, and I suggest to use some sort of cardboard to put in between the two layers. I actually used a cereal box that I opened up and it's going across the whole thing. If you have smaller designs, a pizza thing will work. Anyways, so after you get your cardboard in between, the next thing you want to do is lay out your design. So I've decided on the word spooky season, because I think it's fun. And I originally thought, hey, let's put them in the center, but then I thought, hey, maybe asymmetrical will look cooler. So I'm going to angle them a little bit. I'm going to put my other cutouts around it. Okay. And I could always adjust, of course. All right. I might change my mind and make small adjustments. I have a lot of wood cutouts, so maybe I'll even add something else or take something out. This is basically what I want to go with. So I need to go get water into my dye. Okay, I rearranged them slightly. The next thing I want to do is I want to take a little bit of tape and cover up the couple holes that are on here because I don't want random holes in my images. So I think I might just have to go with holding them in place. See what happens. All right, so I'm using the tie-dye black spray from this kit. This is fascinating. I have a feeling that this is going to be kind of light, but also very messy. He's so crazy. I don't know what to think about this. I hope I don't run out of dye. That'd be awkward, huh? Maybe I should do a little bit more just to make sure it's dark right around the edges. Okay, now I'm going to move these out of the way and we'll see what it looks like. I really hope it worked out. And these wood pieces are soaked. Okay, there's a spooky hat. Ah! So yes, I recommend dabbing it before you take it off so it doesn't drip like a little ghost. But because the drip is part of the style, I think we'll be okay. Oh! My pumpkin had his eyeballs a little bit messed up. Hopefully I'll still be able to tell what's going on there, though. If I could get a drop on that little... Ooh, how would I do that? How do I get one drop? All right, I'm going to get creative. I think I'm going to use a paintbrush or something. I'm going to try to get a little bit of dye on a paintbrush. See if I could just fill it in. Fix a little eyeball. There. See, gotta get creative sometimes. Maybe I should spray a little bit on the back so it has a consistent vibe. So I'm just doing some random sprays. I think it's good. So now we just wait. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this into a bag and let it sit 6 to 8 hours. So that's my spooky season. Woo! Alrighty, my sweatshirt has been washed, it's been dried, and it's ready for the big reveal. Here we go. Here's my sweatshirt. Spooky season! I just love it. Check it out. Let's check out the back. So I've added all those little spritzes on there so they have little drops to go ahead and continue the design. Alrighty, so that's my spooky season sweatshirt. Alrighty. Well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, click like, hit subscribe, and check back for some more cool tie-dye videos. I'm also going to be doing a whole bunch of cool Halloween crafts, so check back. Thanks again for watching.